Hello everyone, today we will start the product section, which is probably the most important part of the project. Here we will not show all products but only a certain number of products. For example, we can we can list the last 12 products added. We can go to the products page for more products. You can click this button. And again, we need a method specific to the entity. This method should bring the last 12 products added. First, let's go to our products table and add more than a few products. Go to SQL and open products table. It doesn't matter if the ID jumps to 1000. Don't think of it is an error. We should have a total of 15 or 16 products. So let's start. For example, product name is bread, stock is 100, price 1, image URL test. We will give them image links later, and description is test, category is 1. We will change later. Second, product name is carrot and stock is 2050, price is $1 or euros and 50 cents. Okay, test and test, category is 1. Okay, good. And cucumber is 1020 kilo, price is $1 or euros, test and category is 2. Okay, good. And we can write milk, stock is 60, price is 2 and 35. Okay, test, category is 3. Okay, good. What's category is fruit, vegetables, drink and dessert, snacks, test 2. Okay, this is not problem. And another product, for example, watermelon is 50 and one watermelon price is 4 euros, for example, 4 euros and 45 cents. Image URL is test, description is test, category is 1. First category is fruit. Okay. And vegetable, we can enter vegetable, for example, capia pepper stock is 30 and price 3. Test, vegetable is 2. Okay. And apricot is a fruit, so category is B1 and stock is 72 and price is 3 euros and 75 cents. Image URL test, description is test. Okay. And last 2 products for first oil is olive oil is stock is 25, price is olive oil is an expensive product, so we can write for example 21 and okay, that's 21 is enough. Test and category is what is it? We can choose drink, actually not drink, but no, can be drink. Okay, good. Our products are ready. If you pay attention, you will see that data is pulled from two separate tables here. The first table is category and the second table is product. We can call them with separate view components. First, let's write our view component that will bring all categories. Go to view components and go to default view components folder. On the right click this folder, add a new class. Our class name is, I'm waiting for class is okay underscore default category section component partial. Okay, default category section component partial, add click. Okay, inherit view component and control dot you can choose using Microsoft.asp, netcore.mvc, and private read-only category service underscore category service is with underscore, and end of the line control dot you can choose generate constructor. Okay, our constructor method is ready. We need public view component result method. Our method name is invoke and var values underscore category service dot get all and return view with values. Okay, and we need a view on the components folder. You can choose class name and right click, copy and go to components, right click, add new folder. We need a folder name and delete and paste it. Okay, and we need default view. On the right click our default category section component partial folder, add new view and razor view, and we need a partial view. Create as a partial view is choose view name is default, add click. I hope you can understand me easily. I'm waiting for create. Okay, close this tab and again open and go to index HTML and go to products area. Where is it? This is products and this is you can choose, this is our category area. You can choose and control cut at await component dot invoke asynchron. We need view component name underscore default category section component partial. Okay, good. Go to default and delete this here, right click, paste it. Okay, good. And go to first line, add model with list for category. You can delete this here. Okay, our category is ready. Why? Okay, no problem. And vegetable fruits and fresh, vegetable fruits fresh. You can delete fruits and you can delete fresh. Choose and delete and go to the first line and enter. We need a for each loop for each var item in model and cut this code, paste it vegetable instead of at item dot category name. Okay, good. Go to index and Control Shift W. We can test it. I'm waiting for open default /index. Go to home page and you can see fruit, vegetable, drink, dessert, snacks, and test are ready. Okay, good, we don't have any problem. And next is the view. We need to the list products, but here we will not bring all the products, but only the last 12 products. So we need to write a method specific to the entity. Let's open to the data access layer. Go to data access layer, go to abstract and go to iProduct.dal. We need a specific method list with product, and our product name is product list product last sorry product last 12 product no product list with category and last 12 items. Okay, good. Product list with category and last 12 items is is understandable. Go to EF entity framework, EF product doll, and iProduct doll. We need implement interface. Okay, var values is underscore context dot products dot include include first we need nowhere. We need last 12 products. We need desk, order by desk scanning. Product ID, okay. Product ID and take 12, okay. And include. We need category, okay, and to list. Good. Our values is ready. Return values. Okay. And go to iProduct.dal. Right click, copy this code, go to business layer and go to abstract, go to iProduct service and paste it. We need T ladder, okay, and go to concrete and go to product manager, and iProduct service is we need implement interface. Where is it? This is here. Return underscore product doll, product list with category and last 12 items is ready. Okay, good. Our backend codes are ready. Now we can create the view component. Go to presentation layer. Where's presentation layer? This here, and go to view components. Right click default view components folder and add new class. Our class name is underscore default what's his name? Default product section component, default product section and component partial. Okay, add click. Okay, we need inherit with view component control dot using Microsoft ASP.NET Core and private read only iProduct service and underscore product service. Okay, we need constructor method control dot generate constructor, and we need public iView component result with invoke method name, and var values is underscore product service dot t product list with category and last 12 items and return view with values. Okay, we can go to views components, right click, you can choose and right click, copy class name and go to components folder, add new folder. Our folder name is pasted. Okay, and go to on default product section component partial, right click, add new view. You can choose razor view and our view name is default with create as a partial view. Add click. I hope you can understand me easily. I'm waiting for open. We have 16 products. We need last 12 products until potato. Go to Visual Studio, close these tabs and again open, delete this here and add model list with product. Okay, good. And go to index. Where is index? You can close these tabs. Yes, product start is here, and you can choose this here, right click, cut, add await component dot invoke asynchron, and we need underscore default product section component partial component partial. Okay, it's true. Go to default and right click, paste it. You can as you can see, this this is there is 1 2 3 4 and 8 products. We don't need 8 products, we need only one product. Go to Visual Studio and go to fresh tomato. This is second, and what is it? Fresh tomato 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, good. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you can delete this here and enter this line. We need for each loop, add for each var item in model. Okay, and delete this, and you can write this here. Okay, and fresh tomato instead of add item dot product name. Okay, instead of dollar with euros, what is euros, alt and e. Okay, add item dot price. Good. And what is it? 27 instead of 29 instead of 19. Okay, we can make this. Okay, this is not a problem. We can change this here. Now 0 euros. Now 0 euros. We will change this here. Okay, with detail add to cart, we this can be stay with detail add to cart and new. Where is new? Where is new? And we can use only one statically image source. Go to Solution Explorer and go to wroot and go to Foody, right click, right click rename and right click copy this folder name is and / paste it. Okay, we can change dynamic later. Okay, let's try it. Ctrl Shift W, underscore default product section component partial is ready. I'm waiting for open. I hope is work. Okay, good. As you can see, okay, good. This is 4, this is 8, and this is 12. Okay, we can change new instead of our category name. For example, where is new at item dot category name. Go to index and again run. I'm waiting. As you can see, our category name is ready. Good. Everything is great. Our homepage is almost finished. In this project, we will do reporting, graphics, scheduling, sending emails, and more. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.